You join us driving into London to Auto Audio Installations. We're going to have the whole stereo in this 458 upgraded. Part of that upgrade is, for example, having full high-end Morel speakers installed and a full digital signal processing system. I'll have a controller such that I can switch the focus of the audio system to the driver, to myself when my son isn't in the car with me, and central, I guess, for when we're both in the car. So I'll be able to switch the processing, switch the processor so that the audio is focused just on the driver or on the passenger and driver. And it is night and day difference to the system that's installed in this car. Currently this car has got the JBL upgrade system, but the audio in these cars is never good. In a nutshell, Ferrari and all these other brands, they cheap out with these companies. It's really just a name. It's a name only. It's not really a high-end JBL system, and JBL isn't the greatest with audio anyway. So it's having a real high-end system installed. It is going to be really sweet and a massive selling point for this car in the future as well, because it'll have a full custom audio installation, and that audio installation will be OEM, so the car will look OEM. The only difference will be that the speakers will be in these A-pillar, quadrangle or triangle sections with custom fit installations, which can be removed anyway if I deem to do that when I sell the car, because tweeter speakers need to be directional. Currently they're underneath the dashboard here, which is no good to man nor beast. They're useless pretty much. So the audio installation is going to be absolutely incredible, and of course we're getting it fitted now so that we have it for our Pyrenees tour starting in a few weeks time. So we're really looking forward to this, and the car's going to be auto audio for a week, having this upgraded stereo fitted, and then we'll give you a second part to this video which will provide all the details of the DSP, the amplifiers, the full specification of the Morel speakers, and the controller that we're going to have fitted that allow me to switch between the different focus points for the audio system, which in effect changes the configuration through the digital sound processor, which is what's known as a DSP. So cool times coming. I've got to say goodbye to the car for a week, but it is what it is. Going to have a fantastic custom audio installed that will sound absolutely banging, but will look OEM. Everything is it takes. That's more likely.
Normal conventional speaker, where these are music. Again, there is a possibility you've got to reach forward to turn it. Huge for a speaker.
I think there's a in series here. There, like that. So fast forward 2 weeks, we've now got the custom audio installed. The most high-end part of this audio system is the Morel speakers, which are absolutely incredible. Fantastic clarity for these very high-end Morel speakers, which if you Google them, they're pretty much the best speakers you can get for a car audio system. So really pleased with those. And we've got a digital signal processor as well. We've got a conductor that controls the focus of the digital signal processor. In effect, it controls the focus of the sound, so it can be focused to the driver or to the passenger and the driver. We've got a kicker subwoofer in the back behind my son's seat there, which really moves air, which is very important for a good audio system. And we've got 2 Eaton amps as well that amplify the whole system, and it's all controlled via a Helix conductor, which is snugly fitted within the glove box here. And that changes the focus from the driver to the passenger, or from the driver to the passenger and the driver. Pretty cool setup. Very, very impressed with the installation. The installation was made by Auto Audio. So thank you very much, Auto Audio. Did a fantastic job. Fit and finish is fantastic, and the sound is absolutely incredible.
Wheel with no marks on it, mate.
These are brand new tyres, obviously.
Yeah, K1.
So what have we been up to tonight? Well, we've travelled all the way into Wales to have all the tyres replaced. We had Pirelli P0s on previously, 10-year-old tyres on the front. Not happy with those, especially doing this Pyrenees trip and driving some challenging roads. So we've changed all the tyres to Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's K1s, 245s on the front, 295s on the back. So slightly wider than the 235's normal OEM tyres on the front, because you get more tyre on the road, which gives you better grip, of course. So Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's all round, really pleased with those. And that was fitted by A2B Tyres. A2B Tyres in Wales, give them a shout, fantastic pricing, and Sean really looked after us there. Thank you very much, Sean. Following having all the Michelin Pilot Sport tyres fitted, we then went across to visit our friend Joe, who lent us the STO and the 296 GTB for review. Went out for a drive with him in his 812 GTS, which has a straight piped Novitec exhaust system on it, and we'll leave you with that footage now because it sounds absolutely insane.
That's only 4.5. That's 4.5.
Brutal.
You haven't even got to go fast in it. That's the thing about
that's
these
the
cars.
best part.
Like, you can't do this in an SF90 or even a 296.
That's what I mean. Once it becomes less than sort of 3 seconds to 60, it's all about emotion.
It's all about the sound.
Yeah, it's about emotion. It's not. But look, honestly, I know it sounds as but not. But look, press the, turn it off, and you can just noodle about. It's not even droney, you know. Yeah. And you just go asbo. It's the gear shift.
Like gunshot.
Someone stopped the film.
You're being a yob.
I'm trying to get you content, man. Clear the affluent time.